Forecast weather from where you live.
Well, went ahead and put it in the risk of an isolated shower, thunder shower or two tomorrow morning because of the outflow boundary that's out here in western and southern Illinois. We've had storms out here. They have collapsed, but the rain-cooled air from those storms, it's a little heavier and dense than the warm, buoyant air we've got in front of it. So it's almost like a little bit of a mini cold front in a lot of ways. And this will be moving northeastward tonight. Now, it will be more diffuse and weaker when it comes into our area. It'll be moving much slower as it comes in, but it could be enough to spawn a couple little isolated thunder showers tomorrow morning. And it'll likely feature a line of cumulus clouds with it as it's coming in from the west and southwest. And then after that, midday to afternoon, the low still has to pivot through the area. So some pretty deep moisture. You can see the thunderstorms down here. These will gradually weaken, but will likely redevelop over our area again midday through the afternoon and even early evening hours. So we'll have that tomorrow, but then a combination of this with this storm moving here and the cold front all means showers and storms scattered about, even into Wednesday, periodically. And you can see that with the Bermuda high here and both low pressures pivoting like that, the deep moisture from the Gulf is pulled northward. So rainfall amounts are going to vary, but some places are going to get over 1.5 inches of rain out of this because it's pretty easy to wring out a downpour when you've got a tropical air mass that's like this. So 90 tomorrow, kind of breezy from the south-southwest. Again, maybe something isolated in the morning. And then it's a scattering of storms right through midday, the afternoon to early evening. Still a heat index about 101 in Greater Lafayette, but generally about 97 to 104 is what it will feel like in the afternoon. So plenty of boiling instability to get those storms to pop. And on Wednesday, some scattered storms in the morning, then a break, and then the actual cold front comes through with a scattering of storms in the afternoon to evening. A breezy to windy day. Still muggy, 87 for the high. There you see the highs at 86 to 91, but the heat index still 93 to about 103 degrees. So here's your cloudiness tonight. We are partly cloudy. And then again, tomorrow morning, watch for something very isolated, then we're okay. But here come the storms popping to our south, moving northward. So this is around, you get to midday, 1, 2. These storms will be coming northward. Here we are around 3, 4 o'clock, and even right through 5. Still some storms around. So be aware if you've got some practices. The kids have some ball practices tomorrow evening or right after school tomorrow. Then a lull, but then more scattered storms come in tomorrow night right into the area. And even right into Wednesday morning, we're going to have some storms around. This is around sunrise. You see those coming through. Then a break, but the actual cold front still has to pass through on Wednesday afternoon and evening. So here we are early Wednesday afternoon. Watch what happens with the front coming through. Right there it is. And you see some scattered storms along that front as well. Those pull away, maybe an isolated shower Thursday, cooler northwest winds after that. And then we're okay after that. It's dry before some of these showers and storms come in by very late in the weekend and especially early next week. And we'll be watching this. That will likely become a major hurricane hit Bermuda. We may need to watch the southern Gulf for something to develop and hit Mexico or maybe Texas. And there will also be a hurricane out here in the East Pacific as well. All right, your 10-day outlook, normal high is 81. Cooler Thursday at a 78 and a little less humid too. 76 on Friday, nice and comfortable. Cool Saturday morning, 80 on Saturday. A few thunder showers late Sunday. Better chances Monday into Tuesday of next week. And then it's just a hair cooler after that with highs in the upper 70s to low 80s.